Learn how to monetize your skills as a Python developer by scraping data, automating tasks, and trading stocks. Are you tired of the monotony of manual labor? Are you looking for new ways to monetize your skills as a Python developer? Look no further! Python is a powerful language that allows for the automation of various tasks, making it an excellent choice for those looking to make money through automation.
Dear friends, the best reward from you is a reaction in the form of a like or a comment. In this video, we will dive into the exciting world of Python automation.
Show you how you can use your skills to scrape data from the web, create and sell scripts and programs, automate trading on the stock market, and even offer automation services to businesses. I'll provide examples, code snippets, and the necessary tools to get you started on your automation journey.
Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you discover new ways to use Python to make money.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your career to the next level and learn how to monetize your Python skills. Let's start with web scraping.
Web scraping is the process of automating the extraction of data from websites.
Python libraries such as Beautiful Soup, Scrapey, and Selenium can scrape website data. You can then sell the data to businesses or individuals who need the data for market research, competitor analysis, or other purposes.
Here's an example of a simple Python script that uses the Beautiful Soup library to scrape data from a website.
You can promote your web scraping services on Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr.
You can also create your website to promote your services and use SEO and paid advertising to attract potential clients.
The other monetization option is creating and selling scripts or programs. You can create scripts or programs that automate tedious business tasks like data entry or email management. It can be programs that automate processes for specific industries, such as a tool for real estate agents to help them manage their listings.
Here's an example of a script that automates data entry.
You can sell your scripts and programs on marketplaces like CodeCanyon, Envato, and AppSumo.
Your website can be used to sell your products and use social media and email marketing to promote them.
Automated trading in the stock market can bring you significant profits. You can use Python and libraries such as Pandas and Talib to analyze market data and then use the analysis to make trades automatically. Here's an example of a script that uses Pandas and Talib to analyze market data. Promote your trading bot by creating your website. Share the bot's performance by joining trading communities like Traders Laboratory and Elite Trader. In conclusion, Python automation is a powerful tool that can help you monetize your skills as a developer. From web scraping to script development and stock market trading, there are many opportunities to use Python to generate income. The examples in the video are just the tip of the iceberg of what can be done with Python automation. With the right tools, knowledge, and creativity, you can devise many other ways to automate tasks and make money with Python. Keep in mind that web scraping might have legal implications depending on the website and the data you are scraping.
Always check the terms of service of the website you want to scrape before you start scraping.
Don't wait any longer to start exploring the world of Python automation and start making money. Remember that the possibilities are endless. With the right mindset, you can achieve anything you want.
I'll be happy to hear your thought in the comments. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your Python automation journey.